Ever felt like you're doing everything right on YouTube and still nothing? I've been there. No matter how much content you create, no matter how many hashtags you throw in, your channel seems to be stuck in the mud.
Yep, and stay tuned, because we're about to drop some wisdom bombs that will have your channel skyrocketing, all while you sit back, relax, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. Seriously, you might want to grab a pen, because you're going to want to write this down.
You've spent hours recording, editing, and promoting your content, but your views are stuck at 25 views. 15 of those being your mom and your best friend.
You've tried everything: SEO, flashy thumbnails, catchy titles, but nothing works.
It's frustrating, but here's the thing: most people overlook the most powerful thing that can help them grow. They keep doing the same thing over and over, expecting different results. And that, my friends, is the definition of insanity.
And we don't need that kind of insanity in our lives. So what's the secret sauce? What's that one tool that's going to change everything?
Let's cut to the chase. The tool we're about to reveal will save you hours of work. It's going to automate everything for you, whether you run a faceless YouTube channel, like me, or you're out there vlogging your life. This tool is going to cut down on your effort, but still make you look like a pro.
Yep, less time spent on manual tasks means more time for what matters: creating content, building your brand, and, of course, increasing those sweet views.
But before you get ahead of yourself, here's the kicker. You won't just be saving time, you'll be growing your channel exponentially. Ready to hear what it is?
Alright, here's the deal. We're talking about vidIQ, the game-changing tool you need to automate and optimize your YouTube channel.
Let me tell you something. vidIQ is not just another tool. It's a YouTube-certified browser extension that helps you grow your channel by giving you deep insights into everything from keywords to video performance.
Think of it as your personal YouTube assistant that's working 24/7 while you're chilling and creating content. It's got everything you need to dominate. But let's break it down so you understand how powerful it is.
First off, vidIQ helps with keyword research. You know those SEO tutorials that say, use keywords in your title, description, and tags? Well, vidIQ helps you pick the perfect ones that actually bring in views.
Exactly. The tool gives you a score for each keyword based on search volume and competition, so you know exactly what to target. More targeted keywords mean more visibility, and we all know what that means. More views, folks.
But that's just the beginning. vidIQ also tracks your analytics in a way that's super easy to understand. No more guessing about whether your content is working. You get detailed reports on views, subscribers, watch time, all in one place.
It's like having a cheat sheet for YouTube success. Want to know exactly where you're winning? vidIQ has the answers.
And it doesn't stop there. vidIQ helps you keep an eye on your competitors too. You can track their channels, see what's working for them, and adjust your strategy accordingly.
Spying, but make it smart. You're not just copying them, you're learning from them and adapting.
Now, let's talk about timing. vidIQ also helps you figure out the best time to post your videos. You know, when your audience is most active. No more guessing whether you're posting at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. vidIQ got you covered.
It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. vidIQ automates the hard work so you can focus on the fun stuff, creating.
Let's just say vidIQ takes care of the boring stuff and leaves you with the exciting parts.
So, what's the first thing you need to do? Get vidIQ. It's the backbone of an efficient and successful YouTube strategy.
Okay, so now that we've got vidIQ under your belt, let's talk about a few more tools that will take your channel to the next level. You're not done yet, my friend. Grab a notebook because we've got a few more game changers.
Next up, let's talk about invideo. If you run a faceless YouTube channel, this is your best friend. invideo turns your scripts into full-fledged videos automatically. That means you don't need to spend hours editing video clips or scrambling to find stock footage. invideo does all of that for you.
And if you're like me and can't stand hearing your own voice, invideo also has AI voiceovers. That sounds super natural. Choose the accent, tone, and style, and boom, your video is ready to go.
Plus, it's got professional templates, music, sound effects, you name it. You'll be creating high-quality videos in minutes, not hours.
Last but not least, we have Hootsuite. Managing your social media presence is crucial for promoting your YouTube content, and Hootsuite makes it so easy. You can schedule posts across all your platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you name it, so you can promote your latest video without lifting a finger.
It's all about staying consistent with your promotion. With Hootsuite, you'll be reaching a bigger audience on multiple platforms, keeping them engaged and excited about your content.
And guess what? You don't even need to be online every second to do it. Hootsuite handles the scheduling, so you can focus on other things.
You could even take a nap while your social media is doing all the hard work for you.
All right, now you've got the tools to start blowing up your YouTube channel, but here's the thing. You've got to take action. You can't sit around waiting for the magic to happen. These tools are powerful, but they need you to work the magic. But you know what? The real secret to success is consistency. Stick with it, use these tools, and watch your YouTube journey take off.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you found it helpful. We've got more tips and tricks coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss them.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Now go blow up your YouTube channel 7 minutes at a time. See you in the next video.